In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect contacts to Google account. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to synchronize the contacts to a Google account. So if you use the same Google account on other devices, your contacts will also appear there automatically. To do this, you have to go into the settings of your Google account. So for my device, I head over to settings and then I go into the Google category. For you, this might differ, but like I said before, you have to find the Google settings on your specific smartphone. Once you go to Google, you will see all of these services and you will be able to choose which Google account you are signed into. So double check the account that you are using at the top of the screen. Now scroll down until you find Contacts. Eventually, like I said, you will come across Google Contacts Sync. So under Backup and Restore. So choose Google Contacts Sync, and now you will be able to link your Google account and your contacts. Keep your contacts sync with Google Contacts so you never lose them. So all that you have to do is choose the status at the top and you will be able to enable this option. If you enable this, all of the contacts attributed on this smartphone will go over to your Google account, and if you use this Google account on other devices, they will be imported automatically. So make sure that synchronization and auto sync are enabled here, and your contacts will be automatically converted. You will see the amount of contacts synchronized here and the last time that a link was established. For this particular account, I'm not going to enable it, but if you do, then you will get the usual prompts and the process will be done automatically for you. It is extremely convenient, and all that you have to do is choose the Google Contacts Sync options on your smartphone under Backup and Restore. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect contacts to a Google account. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.